Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in my last video, I have discussed development guidelines by URDPFI. I have shared link in description box. In today's video, I will talk about terminology and previous year questions based on housing, that is subpart of part A of GATE paper. Starting with the topic. Today's topic is housing. Important terminology: population density. It is expressed as number of persons per unit area. Population density is expressed as net density और gross density. Population density को हम कैसे एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, या तो net density या gross density. Net population density of neighborhood is calculated as number of persons per unit net area. Alright, number of persons per unit net area is net population density of neighborhood. Net area is residential area excluding common facilities like schools, shops and parks. Now coming to gross population density is calculated as number of persons per unit gross area. Now coming to gross area. Gross area is total area of development including common amenities like schools, shops and parks. Common amenities को gross area में include करना है एंड नेट एरिया में एक्सक्लूड करना है. ऑलराइट, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज एकोमोडेशन डेंसिटी. इट इज नंबर ऑफ हैबिटेबल रूम पर यूनिट एरिया. ठीक है. ऑक्यूपेंसी रेट. इट इज एवरेज नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स पर हैबिटेबल रूम ऑफ अ गिवन एरिया. हाउसिंग बैकलॉग रेफर्स टू द नंबर ऑफ dilapidated houses which cannot be further used and need to be replaced immediately. Now the previous year question based on this terminology. With reference to planning and design of housing, identify the correct statement. Gross population density is higher than net population density. Gross population density is lower than net population density. Net population density is directly proportional to area of plot. Net population density is inversely proportional to area of plot. This question is asked in GATE 2023. Question was, with reference to planning and design of housing, identify the correct statement. Correct statement is gross population density is lower than net population density. And the second one is net population density is inversely proportional to area of plot. So the answer of the question is Q and S. Answer is both Q and S are correct. Next question जो कि GATE 2022 में पूछा गया था. The operational guidelines on credit linked subsidy scheme for economically weaker sections, that is EWS, January 2017 by the erstwhile Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation Government of India, defines EWS household as those having an annual income up to, you have to tell the annual income of EWS in Indian rupees. Answer is 3 lakh. So the answer is C, 3 lakh in Indian rupees. Next one is, a housing finance institution in the private sector is, answer is HDFC. Next is, housing backlog means accumulated substandard dwelling units to be replaced immediately. Alright, ये अभी हमने नोट्स में पढ़ा था कि what is housing backlog. Accumulated substandard dwelling unit to be replaced immediately. Homelessness refer to number of people per 1000 urban area population sleeping outside dwelling units. That is homelessness. Next is occupancy rate refers to, this question is asked in GATE 2000. Occupancy rate refers to number of person per habitable room. Next question is density control of residential area is expressed in term of, answer is floor area ratio. Density control of residential area is expressed in floor area ratio. This is asked in GATE 1994. Next question is the residential area density is normally expressed in terms of person per hectare. Answer is person per hectare. The residential area density is normally expressed in persons per hectare. पर हेक्टेयर में जितने लोग रहते हैं वो दैट इज़ द डेंसिटी ऑफ दैट रेजिडेंशियल एरिया. ऑलराइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज annual housing demand of population of a metropolitan city is estimated through the combination of the following components. Identify correct combination. P is new entrants to the city. Q is elderly population living in cities. R is new relocated slum dwellers. S is slum squatter dwellers. T is unauthorized dwelling units. U is dilapidated houses. V is part of backlog. W is any other houses. A, B, C, D में से कोई भी आंसर हो सकता है. Okay, you have to answer this question in the comment section. Alright. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. To write the answer of asked question in the comment section, and also if you have any doubts, please write in the comment section below. See you in the next video that will be on numerical problems of housing. Till then, keep learning and stay motivated. Bye.